Here's a really fun activity you can do. A few minutes in between school or after nap. This is loads of fun. Even if you have just a few minutes, it doesn't take a lot of preparation. I keep it all here in one tray. We have here some sand, big container of sand, a cup of water. We have a bottle. We have a funnel. We have a couple sets of spoons just for fun. Plastic small set and a big silver set. We have some little bowls. And we have some little bottle tops. So what we do here, now if you can do this outside, it's probably better. It will save you having a little mess. But you can even do it at the table if you don't have a place outside. So we're going to see what happens when you put sand, when you mix sand. So you have your child get some sand. Well, as you can see, this sand has already been used with water, but we're going to see what happens to sand when you mix it with some water. So we practice our pouring from the cup, and then your child can take the other little spoon and he starts mixing it. Look at this texture. You talk about the texture. You can talk about different ways that you use sand and water, or you make cement, or how it hardens, or you can make clay, different things that you can make that has this texture. Then you go pouring it into the little cups, into the little top, sorry. Make sure that they flatten it. You can talk about cooking now. We're going to make some little cakes or little pies. So this is also good for using their little motor skills, their little writing muscles. All this pouring and spooning is very good practice. You have to push it down a little bit more to fill it all up. Okay, make sure you squeeze it down, because look what we're going to do now. And then you can pour it onto the floor. What we do to keep it from getting too messy, we pour it into our big container. You hit it a little bit, and here's our little cake. Now, sometimes it doesn't always work. You can always try to fix it. There we have our little pie, and then you go doing them again. You can see how many you want to do. You can do 1 or 2 or 3, depending on how old they are, how many cakes they get. Then we also practice with our funnel. Now this is before you put water inside the sand. Works better. So you spoon the sand through the funnel and you can see it coming down into the bottle. You can see how many spoons is it going to take to fill up this bottle. You can start with a smaller bottle to make it easier. Anyway, these are different ideas you can do with even just a little container of sand. You don't need a big sandbox. We don't have that. But this can be just as fun. And they play for at least half an hour on their own. Sometimes we play tea set. We take out our tea set and they fill up all the little plates, all the little cups with sand. And they pour a little water into it and make it into a fun little pudding. Anyway, this is a fun little activity to keep your child busy for a long time.